Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop image in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to open your presentation, and after that you need to select slide where you want to insert a new image. So for example, I select the first one slide, and then I need to go to Insert tab and I need to go to Image. Here you can find a lot of really useful settings. One of them is Upload from Computer. I need to select this option. And here I need to select one from available images. So for example, I select this one image and I click open button. Then it will be successfully loaded to our presentation. So of course we can resize this image if you want, for example, to these dimensions. And now if you want to crop it, you need to click on this one option. This option is crop image. And then you will see here the black lines. We need to change position of these lines. So for example, I would like to crop this image only to this area. So for example, I will resize the cropping area, maybe to this one area. And then if I want to crop it, I need to press enter button. After that, it will be cropped, yeah? So how you see in this way, you can easily crop images in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.